This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module number 43 of A Beginner's Guide to Java Programming Language, and the topic we're going to discuss today is called Remove Elements from a Linked List, which is the fourth method used in Java linked list. So let's start. The remove keyword method of the linked list class is used to remove an element from the linked list. For example, we will execute a program in Eclipse IDE to understand the concept how remove elements can be removed from a linked list by using the remove method. So here we are at the Eclipse IDE. We will first this main. Now we will go to this button, click on it, go to the Java project, type the name as remove element from a linked list. Pressing next button, type the name as a module name. Now you see this remove element from a linked list project where we will work and see how the remove method is used. We'll right click on the method, delete it, pressing OK button, and then type on the src folder, go to the new option. From here we will click at the class, typing the name as main, and clicking on the static void main, which will create a static void main method in the program. Clicking on the finish button. Now we will type double forward slash and type description of the program as that remove element from a linked list. So under the public class main public static void main method, we will type linked list and pass string data type and name as languages, name of these linked list, and type new linked list. This is the syntax of typing a linked list in Java. So we will type a command add elements in linked list, and here we will type languages dot add and type first as Java, second as languages dot add, and pass Python, name of a programming language, very popular nowadays, and then type languages dot add, and here we will type different name like JavaScript, and at the third place, which is actually total 4 elements are there, but the position is the third position because it always start from the 0. Linked list is always start from the 0 index number or memory location. So here we will type the name as Kotlin. Now we will use system.out.println to display the output on the screen. So here we will type linked list space plus languages, which will actually display Java, Python, JavaScript, Kotlin in one line. Here we will type remove element from index 1. So you can see that index 1 is the Python. We're going to remove Python completely from the linked list. We will type string str, name of the variable. Here we will type languages dot remove, type 1, passed 1 as a parameter, which will delete the element at the position 1. So Python is at position 1 at index number 1, so it will be removed completely from the linked list. Now I'm gonna type system dot out dot print ln. Here we will type in double quotes close removed element, like this colon space, and then type plus str. So all is set. Now more, we will type system dot out dot print ln, and now like this time we will type updated linked list colon spaces plus languages. So now the languages is totally changed. So there's an error, need to type n over here. And the print instrument, I'm going to run this program. Go to this button, run Java, go to the run as, click on the Java application. You can see the output of this system.print, and like we have passed 4 elements in close double quotes. You can see the first place Java, and then Python, JavaScript, and Kotlin. And when we use the remove method at the position 1, so you can see remove method is the Python one, because Python is the first, because the linked list always start with the index 0, memory location 0, and then onward. So Python was at number 1, so Python is the removed element. So now after the updation, you can see Java, JavaScript, and Kotlin, because the Python is completely removed at position 1. So if I type number 3, which is the Kotlin, so you will only see Python, JavaScript after the updated link. So I'm going to run this for your better understanding, so you can have a better idea. So here I have typed 3, so 3 was, index number was of Kotlin, so you cannot see Kotlin over here. Kotlin is the removed element, so you can see the str has the value of the parameter stored in it, so you can see the Kotlin over here. So every time you change the value, you will now see JavaScript, and you will see over here JavaScript is the removed element. You can see Java, Python, and Kotlin as an updated linked list. So I'm going to run it, and you will have an idea. So you can see that JavaScript is the removed element because it was the index number 2, and the updated linked list is now Java, Python, and Kotlin. So this is how we can give multiple values, pass multiple parameters, and with the remove method to ensure that it exactly remove the element which is stored at that exact index number or memory location. So viewers, we have actually executed this program and see the output with the removed element and the updated linked list having removed value. Python is completely removed, and the updated linked list doesn't have Python anymore. So here the remove method takes the index number as the parameter and removes the element specified by the index number. Now we will discuss some other methods. So we will draw a table which can be used with Java linked list. Here the list of it will draw a table. Having 2 columns. So first we'll type the name, and then we'll type the description. So first we'll type the method's name and then description. This. So first we will type the method name as contains, Now this will checks if the linked list contains the element. Very important method. Second one is index of method. So this method is used to returns the index of the first occurrence of the element. Third one is last index of, and is actually used to returns the index of the last occurrence of the element. Next, clear removes all the elements of the linked list. The next number is iterator. So we should type small keyword because Java is a case sensitive language, so capital letters are not allowed. So over here we will type returns an iterator to iterate over linked list. So we will learn more about linked list as DQ and Q and what they are. So let's start since the linked list class also implements the Q and the DQ interface, it can implement methods of these interfaces as well. So here are some of the commonly used methods. Which are used for Q and DQ interface. So first one is the add first. So this is used to add the specified element at the beginning of the linked list. Second method is add last. It adds the specified element at the end of the linked list. It's very obvious from the name. Get first returns the first element. Get last returns the last element. Remove first removes the first element. Remove last removes the last element. Peek, one more method. Returns the first element, which is also called head. of the linked list. Next method, poll, returns and removes the first element from the linked list. And the last method is offer. So as case sensitive language, all the methods names should be in small letters. So adds the specified element at the end of the linked list. So every different method can be used as a DQ and Q interface. So it can be, these all methods can be used with the linked list to implement the Q and DQ interface in Java programming language. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll discuss program of Q and DQ interface in Java. Thanks for watching.